Hello and welcome. We've got here this Carthago semi-integrated motorhome. It's the T4.9 LE chic C-line. Also comes on a Fiat base. Let's come up here and have a look at the vehicle. Now, for something like this, we're looking at, well, I'll tell you precisely how much we're looking at, although the price doesn't appear to be written there. There it is. And what's the price? 121,000 euros. Mercedes, as I mentioned, storage round the front. We've got this very nice sitting area up front. We've got, there's the television, and coming towards the back we will find here 3 burners. We've got a sink, we've got storage under the kitchen block, as you'd expect. Can I get some more light on in here? I don't know, at a trade fair it's not always possible. I was connected to the 12-volt supply. Storage round the rear. Here under this we've got a wardrobe, and on this side we've also got a wardrobe as well. Here we have the shower, and on the other side we can close this by putting that through there like that, and there is the toilet. Now you can see they've got the deep double floor in this vehicle, which allows a lot of space for storage. Double floor, in my opinion, is absolutely essential. See how deep that is, about 45 centimeters or thereabouts. Over here we'll find we've got a fridge, we've got a freezer, and there is the grill. We've also got these pull-out pantries, which I think are very useful for carrying bottles in. Let's have a look also now around the outside. If you want to see a longer video of this, then there'll be a link below. So there you see storage down there. We've got the rear garage, takes 250 kilos of, oh sorry, 350 kilos of weight, going off memory. Sometimes memory can fail me. Also note, we've got the same size garage door in the other side. Let's come round, have a look at it from here. Note, I said the same size garage door, and here that's the gas, and this will see the double floor down there. Notice also the amount of space. I could probably get all my stuff in that double floor. All my stuff since I was born, in fact, probably. Anyway, I've done this in under 3 minutes as I set out to do. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it interesting. Bye for now.